Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we review the best products on the market. Today, we have an exciting dental care product to talk about, and it's making waves in the world of teeth whitening. I'm talking about the Hello Activated Charcoal Epic Teeth Whitening Fluoride-Free Toothpaste. This toothpaste is not your ordinary dental care product. It's designed to provide you with a fresh, minty clean while helping to whiten your teeth naturally. Let's dive into the details of this fantastic toothpaste. First off, what sets this toothpaste apart is its activated charcoal formulation. Made from sustainable bamboo, activated charcoal is nature's way to epically whiten teeth. It works to gently polish and clean your teeth, remove surface stains, and freshen your breath. What makes Hello Activated Charcoal even more appealing is its commitment to ethical and clean practices. It's vegan and never tested on animals, making it Leaping Bunny certified and PETA recognized. So, you can brush and greet freely, knowing it aligns with your values. This toothpaste is fluoride-free and SLS-free, meaning it's free from harsh chemicals that you might find in other toothpaste brands. It's also gluten-free, making it suitable for a wide range of users. When you use this toothpaste, you'll experience a delightful minty flavor. The mint used in Hello toothpaste is grown in the Willamette Valley of Oregon, ensuring superior flavor that's truly meant to be. Now, I know what you're thinking, black paste for white teeth? Yes, that's right. This black paste is formulated to whiten like nobody's business. Just remember, black paste can get a little messy if you're not careful, so spit responsibly and clean your sink after each use. Each tube contains 4 ounces of toothpaste, and it's remarkably effective, so a little goes a long way. You get great value for your money with this toothpaste. In conclusion, Hello Activated Charcoal Epic Teeth Whitening Fluoride-Free Toothpaste is a game changer for those looking to achieve a brighter, whiter smile naturally. Its unique activated charcoal formulation, fresh mint flavor, and commitment to clean and ethical ingredients make it a standout choice. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you're interested in trying this incredible toothpaste, you can find it on Amazon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on our latest product reviews. Thanks for watching, and remember to smile bright with Hello Activated Charcoal.